していたと思いますか?
Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to do a Temu haul, and yeah, let's go ahead and get everything out. I do have quite a few items coming from Temu, and I believe Shein as well. I can't remember, but ooh. But yeah, be on the lookout for those videos. And if you're not a subscriber as of yet, and you just happen to stumble upon my channel and you loved anything and everything crafty, anything and everything aesthetic and kawaii and all of that goody stuff, go ahead and sub to my channel and click on that bell notification. And I'm sorry about my voice. It's a long story if you're new to my channel, but some of my videos will be spoken like today. Some of them will be music just, and that's because of my voice. If you want to know what's happened to me, you can go back to past videos, okay? But this has been an chronic ongoing thing. Okay, so what do we do first? I guess the stuff that ooh, what is this? Oh, okay. This, I found Temu to have the best prices on labels. I used to get mine from Amazon, but you know, I go through these 4x6 shipping labels like water, you know, and so I found that these guys, ever since I was sent the thermal printer, it is so easy to use these, because I used to have to go through my regular printer. But see, it's the same thing, you know. It doesn't have to be a brand name, in my opinion, when it comes to shipping labels, you know. The less it costs, the better, because this is how I'm able to keep costs down in my website and in my Etsy. Did I say Etsy? And in my Etsy. So, yeah. Anything that saves me money saves my customers money. So this is a pack of 100, 4x6, and it was just a couple of dollars, you know, in comparison to others that you can get places like Amazon and Office Depot and all of that. So anyways, that's that. I want to see what this is. Let's go ahead and open this up, because we know we have a buttload of dies there. Yes, I did say buttload of dies. Oh, cool. And another thing that I have found very inexpensive at Temu, and that's not in every single Temu shop, because, you know, they have different vendors. You have to check the prices for different vendors. And when I come across vendors who are selling them like $4 for a buck, really, I go ahead and grab them, because excuse me, when I make my design team packages to send out, I'll go ahead and include one of these in the, excuse me, I just stayed and it's like I'm belching. Okay, gotta edit that out. Okay, so, yeah, I like to send one of these for their, you know, to use in their projects, but it's not like I sell them at my store. It's just, you know, something for my ladies. So I got that, and this was really, really cheap too, you know, better, way better than what you can get at Hobby Lobby. And I think I know what this is. So we'll go through these last, but oh my gosh, I am, okay. Long story short, I am hooked on different types of keyboards, okay? I have, this is going to make my 4th one, I believe. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Yep, this is my 4th one. And I blame my addiction to TikTok videos. The girls, the gamer girls who do TikTok videos, you know, they do the whole aesthetic living thing. I didn't know that aesthetic living was a thing, but now I do. And so anyways, I like to watch those videos on TikTok, and it's so entertaining. TikTok is the only platform that I ever really get on as far as viewing stuff, because what I love about them is that you don't need to be subscribed to anything. It's what you watch, the algorithm sends you. You know, it's not like YouTube. It's not, that's why I think that YouTube and everybody else is dying, you know, because of TikTok. TikTok is such a great platform. And so yeah, I don't even have to subscribe to anybody. And the same thing goes for me. I barely have 1,000 subscribers, and when I upload a video to TikTok, I get like at least 200 views like that quick, you know. So I love it. I love that platform. Anyways, long story short, I know my long story shorts become very, very long stories. So I'm addicted to the, you know, and so because I have, as you can see, a very tiny desk, and a lot of times I'm working with this, and as you can see, this is so huge, okay, and I'm always having to put it to the side to work on something else here. But with this, I can just bring it up here while I'm doing my packages and everything else, or at a meeting, and I can just go like so. And so I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And look at this color. Oh my goodness. Let me go ahead and get this out. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and leave you with my link, and it is an affiliate link to Temu in the description area underneath this video. And don't worry about the prices. Just because I'm using affiliate links, it doesn't mean that the price increases. The price is the same whether or not you use my links. It's just that I may get a tiny little whimsy commission, you know, for a 2-liter bottle of Coke or something. No, really. And so, yeah, for the effort of making a video and letting y'all good people know that Temu is out there with great prices and great finds. So I love this. And it's very tactile. I'm one of those persons who just loves to look at colors, and it's very tactile like, so I love it. And it comes with this cute little mouse that's the same, like it's like a peach pink color, and I absolutely love this. I love peachy pink. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this to the side. See, this is pink, my pink mouse, and that's my peach mouse. See the difference? So I love the color peach, and you'll be able to see that in a lot of my earlier collections. I just love peach. Okay, so I found some really great deals, okay? Some of these are for me, and others to give out to like my customers as a thank you gift, okay? And so this is mine for me. This is a house, gingerbread house or something. I don't know, a Christmas tree house. I'll figure it out. And this is a word that says something. Like my descriptions, this is a word that says something. I don't know what it says, okay? But it was something good, I promise you that. Anyways, and I know that I'm going to give, I bought these to give away to my customers every time they buy a package from me. See, here's another word. And I'll just put in a freebie for them, you know. And so, look at these cute tag dies. I love that. And because I found them so inexpensive, I said, you know what, let me go ahead and grab 10 or 5 per so that I can give them away to my clients, because, you know, they come back time and time and time again, and I am so appreciative. And whenever you order a package from me, you'll be, oh, look how cute this is. I forget what it says. For you. This says for you. Oh, it says a gift for you. And this is perfect for like card making, you know? And so, and I don't know what this says. This says what that says. And so, yeah, this will be for my clients because they always get a free gift. You will always get a free gift whenever you purchase from my decorateyourlife.com. And I will go ahead and leave you the link. So, oh, this is so cute. I love pumpkins. I love pumpkins. And this is supposed to be a pumpkin house. You know, I'm looking forward to working with that. And here's more freebies for my customers. And look at this teapot. And all this stuff here. I mean, the stuff for me was like $2. Really. just a couple of dollars. I love it. I love it. Just a couple of dollars. And these were so, I believe these were like under $1. You know, that's why I got so many of them. You know, and it's not like the cost of the freebie or anything. It's the thought that matters. You know, it's me telling my customers that I really, really, really appreciate y'all. And here's a small gift, a small token of my appreciation from me to you. And so, yeah, that's it as far as my haul is concerned. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and a thumbs up is certainly appreciated. Please share my crafting channel with your friends, especially if they love everything aesthetic, because I'm moving towards that thanks to the ladies at TikTok. Okay, I will see you once again real soon. Bye now.